Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Pokemon TCG Pocket app on iPhone. Okay, first of all, click on App Store. Then tap on search icon. Okay, then search on Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Okay, then Pokemon TCG Pocket, then right tap on download icon, then click, just wait few minutes, downloaded app, then wait. Okay, then check downloaded pocket Pokemon TCG app. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.